Melody is my my next participant. For the bass line, yeah, you keep your leg down and okay, so
yeah, it wants to
go down. Okay, try lifting your leg though, and let's try the balance.
Okay, this is my weak leg here. Okay, all right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try with the bracelet, and now lift your leg.
It is amazing. You can really feel it. It is amazing. I could just stand here a long time.
But eventually, I'm gonna make your arm sore. So remove it again, and let's make sure it's not all in your head.
Okay. It just feels really different. So
okay, so lift your arm, or lift your leg there. So it's
okay. Let me see if I can find that awareness that I had and see what happens. Let's see. It's just not quite there, but, but I could almost remember it.
Let's redo it again.
Okay. All right.
This is the 7.3 hertz test.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pushing really hard.
It works.
Yeah,
that's. You can distinctly feel the shift when you put it on.
Thanks for watching, and visit us at healthharmonic.com or click the link in the description and get your harmonic handset. Try it out today. Thanks again for watching.